To TC, the true Truddles. Along the river, past rickety rocks, rounding the bend to Fisherman's Dock. Truddles the cat, in her flannelette hat, was ready to walk into Fisherman's Flat.
Hello, I am Truddles the Cat, and welcome to Fisherman's Flat.
She could see the mill on top of the hill. And if she looked hard, could see Jerry's Junkyard. And guarding the gate from morning till late was Quickety Zack, the black razorback.
I am Quickety Zack, and no one gets past me.
And hidden away was a den near the docks. It was home to her friend, Mr. Finnian Fox. He was witty and wily, warm-hearted and wise. He would scoot into town to collect his supplies. If he needed some books or a big block of butter, Truddles would sometimes hear the fox mutter, "I need to do this, I need to do that. There is nary enough time, as a matter of fact." So Truddles trudged up to Finnian's door. She knocked 3 times, and not one more. "Greetings, young Truddles, I'm glad you did show. Time is a-wasting, make haste, now let's go."
Greetings, young Truddles, I'm glad you did show. Time is a-wasting, make haste, now let's go.
Mr. Finnian Fox needed to pass by the mill, for on his to-do list was parchment and quills. So they travelled and tiptoed the turtle shell track, past Jerry's Junkyard and Quickety Zack. But all was quiet as they skirted the fence. The whistling wind was making them tense. No growls, no grunts, nor a snickering snort. Perhaps setting traps is his favourite sport. Until Quickety Zack sped past in a gust. He was moving so fast, he was kicking up dust. He scooted through scrub and trod down the trees, and hot on his heels was a horde of mad bees. While Truddles and Finnian found this quite funny, that black razorback had taken their honey, and with yelps, cries for help, and an almighty wail, he was chased over town with stings in his tail.
"I've got stings in my bottom!"
"He may be a bully, but the bees won this fight," said Finnian Fox on seeing this sight. He took on an army that may have lacked size, but safety in numbers was their biggest surprise. So Truddles and Finnian completed their tasks. And what happened to Quickety Zack, you may ask? I am sure he will return, as will Truddle and friends. But for now, this is where her adventures must end.